Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into 10 must-have home and garden cleaning tools that will make your chores easier, faster, and more efficient. Most of them are available at special prices, so don't forget to check the links below before they're gone. Let's jump in. Tired of stubborn dirt, grime, and mold ruining the look of your home's exterior? This 4,200 PSI high-pressure washer blasts away built-up dirt from driveways, patios, fences, decks, and even vehicles. It comes with 4 quick-connect nozzles to adjust the spray intensity, making it perfect for both delicate surfaces and heavy-duty cleaning. Plus, the foam cannon attachment lets you apply soap effortlessly for a deep, streak-free clean. Whether you're washing your car or reviving old outdoor furniture, this pressure washer gets the job done quickly and effectively. Reaching high windows can be a challenge, but this 78-inch extendable squeegee kit makes it fast, easy, and streak-free. The 3-in-1 design includes a squeegee, scrubber, and microfiber cloth, ensuring that dirt, dust, and water spots are completely removed. What makes it even better is the triangle-shaped cleaning head, which reaches into hard-to-clean corners that regular tools can't handle. Whether you're cleaning large windows, glass doors, or skylights, this kit saves you time and effort while delivering a sparkling finish. Say goodbye to the hassle of raking and bagging leaves with this powerful 3-in-1 tool. This machine acts as a leaf blower, vacuum, and mulcher all in one, making yard maintenance easier than ever. The 12-amp motor generates strong airflow to clear leaves and debris quickly, while the mulching function shreds waste into tiny pieces for easy disposal. Whether you need to clear your driveway, sidewalk, or backyard, this lightweight, easy-to-handle tool makes the process fast and efficient. Scrubbing bathrooms, tiles, and grout is backbreaking work, but not with this cordless electric spin scrubber. Featuring 3 powerful rotating brush heads and an extendable handle, this tool tackles tough stains, soap scum, and grime with 0 effort. It's perfect for bathtubs, kitchen floors, sinks, and even outdoor surfaces. The rechargeable battery provides long-lasting power, so you can clean your entire home without interruptions. No more bending, scrubbing, or using harsh chemicals. This scrubber does all the work for you. Cleaning garages, driveways, patios, and shops requires a broom that can handle heavy debris, and this 24-inch push broom is built for the task. Its stiff, durable bristles easily sweep away dirt, dust, gravel, and sawdust, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The wide head covers more surface area, so you'll spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your space. Plus, with 100% USA-made materials, you can count on durability and long-lasting performance. Forget harsh chemicals. This steam mop uses hot steam power to sanitize and deep clean hardwood, laminate, tile, and grout. The detachable handheld steamer lets you clean countertops, sinks, and even upholstery, while the washable microfiber pads ensure a streak-free finish. With 7-in-1 multi-purpose accessories, this mop adapts to various cleaning tasks, making it an essential tool for every home. It's eco-friendly, powerful, and gets rid of dirt and bacteria effortlessly. Cleaning gutters, rooftops, and high walls just got easier with this 8-foot pressure washer extension wand. It comes with 6 interchangeable spray nozzles, allowing you to adjust the water pressure for different cleaning tasks. The gutter cleaner attachment is especially useful for removing leaves and debris without needing a ladder. Whether you're power washing your home's exterior or reaching tricky spots, this extension wand saves you time and energy. Tangled, messy hoses are a thing of the past. This wall-mounted retractable hose reel features a 78-foot durable hose that smoothly extends and retracts with a slow return system. So, no more wrestling with kinks and knots. The 180-degree swivel bracket makes watering convenient from any angle, and the auto-lock system lets you use only the length you need. Whether you're watering plants, washing your car, or cleaning your patio, this hose reel keeps your outdoor space neat and organized. Dust and dirt love to hide in hard-to-reach spaces, but this extendable microfiber duster ensures no spot is left untouched. Designed to fit under appliances, high ceilings, and furniture, it bends to clean even the most awkward spaces. The washable microfiber pad traps dust instead of spreading it, making it a reusable and eco-friendly solution. Say goodbye to dust buildup and keep your home clean and allergen-free with this must-have tool. Yard cleanup can be a chore, but this 47-gallon pop-up garden bag makes it quick and effortless. It's designed to hold large amounts of leaves, grass clippings, and other yard waste, while the hard-shell bottom adds extra durability. It even includes leaf scoops and gloves for easy handling. When you're done, it collapses flat for compact storage. Perfect for fall cleanup, gardening, and outdoor maintenance, this bag is a must-have for any yard owner. That wraps up our list of 10 must-have home and garden cleaning tools to keep your space spotless and organized. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest recommendations. Many of these items are on sale, so make sure to grab them before the deals disappear. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.